Open Play Store. Touch the search bar, type Status LPM app. Install the Status LPM app. I am already installed, so choose Open. Open Facebook app. Play some video or short videos. Touch the share button. Touch the copy link. Open the Status LPM app. Select Facebook. Paste the link. Skip the advertisement. Touch the download button. See the notification. Go to File Manager. Select Download folder. Select Status Saver. You can see all download folder. Open Instagram. Select three dot. You will see right down corner. Select Copy link. Open Status LPM app. Select Instagram. Paste the link. Click the Download button. Download Reels, Stories using shortcut. Open Facebook. Select Share. Choose More option. Select Status LPM and click Download button. Open Instagram. Play Reels. Select three dot. You will see right down corner. Select Share to. Select Status LPM and click Download button. Go to Download folder and check. And also you can download Reels, Stories, short videos from Share Chat Troposo like WhatsApp Status and Twitter app. Note: you must sign in Facebook at Status LPM app for download Facebook Stories. Thanks for watching. I hope this video very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe iPro Edits.